why most people stay poor and how you can escape it. Most people don't stay poor because they're lazy. They stay poor because of invisible habits, beliefs, and choices that quietly drain their future. Here's how to avoid the trap. First, they spend everything they earn. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about low income, it's about uncontrolled spending. Build a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is your freedom fund. Second, they ignore financial education. If you don't understand money, banks and brands will use that against you. Learn how interest works. Understand assets and liabilities. Study wealthy people. They leave clues. Third, they rely on one source of income. One job, one paycheck, one stream. It's risky. Start a side hustle. Build a skill. Create something that can grow without your time. Fourth, they fear investing. They think it's too risky. But not investing? That's guaranteed loss, thanks to inflation. You don't need thousands to start. Even $50 a month can change your future if you start early. And finally, they hang around the wrong crowd. If your friends don't save, invest, or grow, you won't either. Surround yourself with people who talk ideas, not just expenses. The truth is, getting rich slowly is safer and more realistic than trying to get rich quick. Don't chase overnight success. Chase good habits. This is Smart Money Guide. Follow for more honest, practical money advice.